welcome back to Speed Punk's Garage. Got a quick video for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how to hook up OBD2 port for under 20 bucks. I use this app all the time. It works really well. Driving home today, my check engine light came on. Not sure why just yet. I want to show people how to hook up your car, scan the codes, get the information, and then you can go and identify and fix these issues yourself. This is the scanner that a little OBD2 scanner that you get off the Jungle website. This was under $15. The app that I'm going to use today is called Torque Pro. It's on the Play Store, or on I guess the iPhone probably has it as well. I'm pretty sure that they do. I'll show you on my phone in a little bit how to hook up to it. Super simple. The whole thing will be under $20 with this adapter and downloading the Torque Pro app, which I highly recommend. It's very, very handy at diagnosing things. So today I got a 2016 Chevy Silverado. Like I said, driving home today, check engine light came on. It's not blinking, so I know it's not a critical code. It's just probably something stupid. I'm going to show you step by step how to hook it up. All right, there we go. I'll try to do it all in one shot and make it easy. So first thing you do, obviously take the scanner out. Just open up the package, and it just comes with directions and how to hook it up. It's super easy. Tells you, I mean, it literally tells you exactly how to hook it up. I know which one. I have multiple OBD2 diagnostic scanners. I have an Android phone, so I got the one for Android because that's the one I use the most. I literally leave this one in the truck. I leave one in my BMW and one in the other, all the other vehicles I have. Just, it makes it so much easier. This thing's $12. You literally just plug it into the OBD port down here. Obviously, make sure you line it up. The little red light's on, so you know that it's got power. And you hop in. I'm gonna hop in the truck because it's a pain in the butt with the dinging. But you know, you hop in, turn your ignition on. Don't start the car. Just turn the ignition on. Wait for everything to shut up for a minute. Now, go to your phone. Like I said, if you go to the Play Store and you search what is it, Torque Pro, it's right there. Obviously I have it installed on my phone, but that's the application right there. It's literally $4.95, and it does a lot of stuff, which is pretty neat. I'm going to, if I open this up, it probably tells you. Yeah, there you go. So you can screenshot this if you want to look at it, or just go to the store and actually read all the stuff that it does. But there's a lot of information in here, and I'm just using it today for diagnostics purposes. I'm going to scan the truck and see what the OBD2 code is and go from there. But you can see how much stuff you can get from this app, so it's totally worth the $5. A lot of different vehicles, makes and stuff. Like I said, a lot of information. Super simple to hook up. So I'm going to launch the app now. Go to Torque Pro, launch the app. My vehicle's already connected. If you have a problem hooking up the adapter, there's an adapter status page, and you can actually connect to it. It actually gives you all the information. It actually tells you if it's connected to the ECU and all that stuff. That's what the green check marks mean, which is really neat. So I'm just gonna run fault code, literally a check engine. Obviously check engine light, well, right now it's on because ignition's on, but it is on when the engine's running. So you're just gonna hit fault codes, tap for faults, and it's going to actually scan the ECU. So there's my code, P0442 powertrain. Looks like it's an evap leak, so it says it's a small leak, so it's probably a gas cap or a purge valve. These Silverados are known to have bad purge valves. I never replaced this one, so I probably should, because it's probably the fault, honestly. So I'm going to just leave that in the system for now. At least I know what it is, which is nice. And then I can go back. There's a couple more cool things you can do with this app if you never actually used it before. I'm trying to film and look at my phone at the same time, so this is interesting. So you got a track recorder. It does your 0 to 60 times, which is really neat. Real-time information is super handy. If you pop that on, you can build your own gauges and stuff. So if you're running the vehicle under load, you can check your throttle position. You know, your throttle position will change, like if you hit the gas. See, it goes up and down. and obviously the vehicle's off. They got your coolant temp, you know, it tells you exactly what your coolant temp is, your speed, like boost. I don't have boost, obviously. There's no turbo in this truck, but you can run all that stuff, RPMs. It's really neat. You can do data logging and stuff, quarter mile time, 0 to 60, 1/8 mile, all that stuff's already just built in. OBD2, it'll do that. EGR system, catalyst system, it'll even detect misfires live. Some vehicles you don't have a misfire unless you're under load, so you can actually accelerate under load and see if you have a misfire. Like I said, this app is really freaking cool. I had really good luck with it. I used it on several vehicles. My Silverado, the Honda over there, my BMW over there, all connect perfectly fine to this app, and I've read fault codes and got real-time information off this, and use a track recorder, which is really neat. I have a couple of videos on my channel that I actually use a track recorder at the drag strip down the street from me. Graphing is really cool too if you want to trend some data, which I also highly recommend. If there's any issue with this app, they actually have a form too. If you go to the actual app and you open it, you go to where it says what's new. This is the Google Play Store, but like I said, I'm pretty sure it's similar with the iOS. Yeah, if you go all the way down to the bottom, there it is. There's an actual torque form too. You can go there and ask questions. If you have any problems with connecting to your vehicle's ECU, you can ask the question right there on the form, and it'll give you information, and people are super helpful when it comes to stuff like that, which is awesome. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you real quick that literally with this $5 app on the Play Store, Torque Pro, OBD2, and car scanner, and this, you know, Amazon Panlong, whatever the heck it's called, OBD2 scanner, it's a Bluetooth connection. It's super simple to hook up. It literally comes with picture. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to do it one-handed. It comes with picture directions on how to hook it up. I mean, it really can't be simpler to try to, you know, hook this up to your car and get the information that you need. It'll save you time, save you money. You can use it on multiple vehicles, which is awesome. And you know, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. Now I got to go order some parts, obviously. Probably a purge valve. I have a smoke machine that I'm going to obviously hook up to the evap system, and I'll you know, throw smoke through it and make sure that my all my connections and stuff aren't loose or nothing's cracked or broken or anything like that. But the main reason why everybody comes to this channel is to see what's going on with Gunner. Nobody cares about the vehicles. I just want to show you my puppy. There he is. Hey, buddy. Say hi to the people. Say hi. You got your shirt on because it's rainy out today. Come here. You being a good boy? Come here. Come here. Say hi. Give me a paw. Good boy. So, just checking in. I wanted to do this quick video real quick. You know, you get to take a look at my pup. Obviously, I have a couple videos of the Honda already. BMW's coming up soon. I got a couple things coming up. Some performance runs and information about this. So that's going to be coming up soon, which should be pretty sweet. So make sure you like, subscribe, and stick to the channel. Trying to think what else. Oh yeah, that's a 61 Cadillac. You'll be seeing that. That's kind of you know, it's being worked on. Things are getting done. It's ready to go. Seen a couple car shows, and it's going to be featured in the calendar soon, which is really cool and I'm excited about. This vehicle is awesome. I can't wait to put that on the channel soon. So it's just a real quick video, guys. I'm trying to do it all in one shot, so it's limited in editing. If there's any questions about the app or how to connect to it or anything like that, you comment below. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. And that should be it, guys. Make sure you unplug this. It will drain your battery. But real quick, I'll show you again. This is the one I got. It's literally $12 on Amazon, and the application for the Torque Pro app is under $5 right now on the Play Store and iOS as of August of 2024. I don't know if it's going to go up or down, but trying to think what else there is. I'm trying to get everything all in one video, so if there's any questions, that'd be it. You know, in case you guys don't know where the OBD port is, it's always underneath by the driver's knees. It's sometimes over here, sometimes under here, sometimes it's under the dash, just like the BMW's under the dash, but it's always underneath your steering column. If there's any questions about that, I can try to help you out the best I can. So I guess real quick I can check small evap leak. Gas cap looks good, but gas caps for these are pretty cheap, to like 12 bucks. I'll probably order a new gas cap too, because this is original to the vehicle. This is 2016, so it's probably wouldn't hurt to get a new gas cap. So I'll get a new gas cap. I'll get a new purge valve. There'll be another video of me putting the purge valve in, which is on the intake. Let's see real quick, since I got everybody's attention. Pop the hood and take a look. Yeah, purge valve is right here. You guys can see it. It's literally right there. So it's super easy to get to. I have a cold air intake, so I got rid of the whole freaking intake in this truck. So a lot of the stuff's easy to get to, which is awesome. This should be like a 15-20 minute job at the most. That's me taking my time and filming. I'll do a small video how to replace that, how to reset the check engine light, and if there's anything else. I'm going to do a smoke test on this too, just to CYA, so that I know that the entire evap system's good. And that's it, guys. Have a good one. I hope everybody's got something cool going on this weekend. I know what I'll be doing. I'll be working on my truck, be working on the Cadillac, doing some performance runs in the BMW. So I'm going to be busy this weekend, which should be fun. Got a lot of videos coming up, so make sure you guys stick around. All right, thank you guys, appreciate you. Definitely stick around. There's gonna be some really cool videos coming up. One more time, say bye-bye. Say bye, buddy. Say bye. Everybody just wants to see you and they don't care about the cars. No, that's it. Yeah, you're a good boy. All right, guys, have a good day.